As the markets and Wall Street obsess over Dow 20,000 and when we'll hit it, how about Dow 1 million? Famed investor Sir John Templeton actually predicted the blue chip index will hit the landmark milestone by the end of this century. Let's bring in former Franklin Templeton bigwig Mark Zinder about what it would take to get there, and also plenty on tap this week for investors to maybe push it over the ledge here, both here and across the pond. Weighing in is Gradient Investments Senior Portfolio Manager Marianne Montagna. All right, Mark, I want to get to you first. Dow 1 million, let's be real.
Liz, I remember working for Sir John when he made the 10,000 by 2,000, and we all thought he was out of his mind. So when it hit 10,000, we said, all right, Mr. Templeton, what's next? And he said, 1 million. And we went, when? He said, by the year 2100. We went, really? And he went, yeah, that's about a 5% rate of return. So I think he's wrong. I think it'll be 2080 when we hit 1 million.
Well, listen, unless they get some cryogenics going, neither you nor I are going to be around there. But Marianne, in the shorter term, before 2080, let's talk about what could move the index and move stocks. Tomorrow, Theresa May, big Brexit speech in the UK. What does that do to the markets if she's hard, firm, and fast about exiting the European Union?
Yeah, well, in terms of exiting the union, I don't think it has that much of an impact on the U.S. companies. But we do like international companies. We like European-based companies. We think after 3 years of underperformance to the U.S. stock market, that international is poised this year for a takeoff.
Yeah, you like Kimberly-Clark of Mexico, interestingly, Siemens, Celgene. And Mark, what do you like in this atmosphere where we're not quite at Dow 1 million, but we're certainly close to a very round number that gets people excited?
Well, then just take it one more step, is win 30,000, maybe 2020 on 30,000. But back to John Templeton, he bought Japan in the 80s. And people went, what are you, crazy? And then he got out in late 80, right before it crashed. And people said, well, where's the next opportunity? And he said, don't ask me where things look best. Gotcha. He said, ask where things look worse. And I think Marianne's right. Europe, right now, opportunities there. But in the U.S., I think that we're going to go from a sector rotation, not from bonds to equities, but from growth to value. And there's some really good value here.
And, you know, we just put up those names, and we'll put them on our Facebook.com/Liz Claman page. Great to have both of you. Mark and Marianne, thank you so much for joining us on this MLK Day. That'll do it for me.